Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for planning charity auction events, a comprehensive guide for 2025. First, let's start by creating an event in UPBASE. After logging into your account, click on Create New Event on the dashboard. This process is crucial because it sets the foundation for your charity auction event. It determines the date, time, and other essential details about your event. Now that we've done that, it's time to add items for the auction. Go to the Items tab and click on Add New Item. Here, you can input details about the item, including a description, starting bid, and images. The reason we do this is to give potential bidders a clear idea about the items, their value, and their appeal. Next up is setting up the bidding process. Under the Bidding tab, you'll find options to set the starting bids and bid increments. This helps us because it ensures a smooth and orderly bidding process, preventing any confusion or disputes during the event. Now, let's move on to inviting guests. Under the Guests tab, you can upload your guest list, inputting their contact information and sending them a personalized invitation. This step is important because these are the people who will be participating in the event and contributing to your charity. Closing on the process, it's essential to preview the event. Navigate to the Preview tab and go through every detail, ensuring everything is perfect. Let me explain why this matters. Ensuring a seamless user experience guarantees a successful charity auction event, and that's our ultimate goal here. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've set up your charity auction event on UPBASE. Remember, the key is to plan thoroughly, communicate effectively, and ensure a smooth bidding process. Thanks for tuning in today, and see you in our next tutorial. And with that, we're done. You now know how to use UPBASE for planning charity auction events. Happy planning!